Welcome aboard, I'm Sharm from Riviera Jones, and today I'm going to talk about something that happens every now and then. It's a bit embarrassing and a bit annoying. You've gone to bed, you've left your tender out the back, somehow the rope's become entangled with the propeller, maybe you run over a crab pipe, touch a bit of bottom and you just want to have a look at your props. If you're like me, you can't hold your breath very long, you get a bit old. So I found this great product, Scorkl. So, you get about 10 minutes out of this, down you go. You can get your props cleaned off, you can maybe get a rope out and just have a bit of a check around. It'll just give you enough time to have a good look or do a little job. As well, you don't need any qualifications. It does need a bit of practice in the pool once you buy it, just to get used to using it. So I'm going to jump over the side. I've got my rope stuck in the prop this morning, very annoying, so let's give it a go and see how we go. So I'm in the water now. Look, a good way to start off is you put it in your mouth, have a few practice runs just underwater. Try to settle your breathing nice and slow. Just sip it in, blow it out slowly. Okay, I'm really comfortable with that. I think it's going to work great. So I'm going to go down under the boat now and get this rope off. Wow, that went excellent. So easy. Look, I think that's a great product to keep on board. You know, just for these little occasions. I'm not super fit. I can't hold my breath for 2 minutes, but I had time down there to get the rope off, have a good inspection of my propeller, make sure everything was good. I really like it. I think I'm going to keep one on board from now on. I'm Sharm Brown from Riviera Jones, Safe Boating.